Here we're going to take a quick look at what's called a conditional operator. This is basically a shortcut, if you want to look at it, for an if statement. Usually very simple if statement. So as you see here, I have three variables, x, y, and z, where x is set to the value 10 and y is set to the value 15. In my if statement, I am checking if x is greater than y, then z is going to be x minus the y. Otherwise, z will equal y minus the x. Then I output what z is. And right here we have the conditional operator. What's going on here? And what that's doing is it has a condition, which is the same condition I had up here, x greater than y. And then has a question mark. So it's asking the question, is x greater than y? If that is true, just like if it is true here up in the if statement, then z would equal x minus the y. If this is false, this condition, it comes to after the semicolon here, or the colon, excuse me, and says that z is equal to the y minus x, which is the else portion. So in front of the colon is the if portion when it's true, and after the colon is the else when the condition is false. So these will give the same results, right, based on these two variables being 10 and 15. So again, the condition, the question mark, right, asking is it true or false. The first portion here is the true portion before the colon, then after the colon is the false part. So if we run this, we get the result that z will be 5 in both cases. Alright, and I gave a different output there by putting now in this second output down here. So you can see they're both 5. And we're going to switch these two around, make the x the 15 and the y the 10, which should give us the opposite. Both going to give us a 5 again, but you can see that the values are going to go the opposite way now. Right. And it still runs, gives us the same values because the results are the same. Both times will be 5. Alright, so that's all the conditional operator is. It's kind of a way to write a very shorthand if statement. It's not the most readable thing when you come across that. You might have to take a double look to try and see what it is. But you got to look for the question mark in the colon here. And that tells you that's the conditional operator. Alright.